Deep beneath the Earth's surface, hidden away from the sun, lies a world of eternal darkness. A world where creatures have adapted to an environment unlike any other. Welcome to the fascinating realm of cave-dwelling animals, or troglobites, species that have evolved to survive in the pitch-black, often unforgiving depths of underground caves. From blind fish to glow-in-the-dark insects, let's uncover the incredible animals that call caves their home. First up, the blind cave fish, found in underground rivers and lakes across the world. These fish have completely lost their eyesight due to living in total darkness. But what they lack in vision, they make up for with heightened senses of touch and smell. Using their lateral lines, they can detect water movements and navigate effortlessly, proving that sometimes seeing isn't everything. There are multiple species of blind cave fish, including the Mexican tetra. Interestingly, despite their lack of eyes, they have an advantage over their sighted relatives, requiring less energy to survive. Scientists are studying these fish to understand how blindness evolves and whether these adaptations could offer insights into human eye diseases. Next, meet the olm, a bizarre salamander that looks like a miniature dragon. Native to the caves of Eastern Europe, olms are pale, blind, and can live up to 100 years. Even more incredible, they can go without food for up to a decade. Their slow metabolism and ability to absorb oxygen through their skin allow them to survive in nutrient-poor cave waters for astonishingly long periods. Olms also have an extraordinary sense of smell and hearing. Despite lacking external ears, they can detect even the faintest vibrations in the water, allowing them to sense potential prey or threats. Often called the human fish because of their pale, fleshy appearance, olms are one of the most mysterious amphibians on the planet. If you're not a fan of spiders, you might want to look away. The Trogloraptor spider, found in caves of the Pacific Northwest, has unique hook-like claws that it uses to catch prey. Unlike their surface-dwelling relatives, cave spiders rely on vibrations rather than sight. Similarly, the Kauai cave wolf spider, also known as the blind wolf spider, is completely eyeless but has evolved highly sensitive legs to detect the movements of prey. It is a critically endangered species found only in a few caves in Hawaii. Then there are the glowworms and bioluminescent insects, such as those found in New Zealand's Waitomo caves. These larvae produce eerie blue lights to attract and trap unsuspecting prey in their sticky silk threads. Their glow transforms the cave ceilings into a mesmerizing star-like display, making them one of the most unique predators of the underground world. The Texas cave salamander is another creature that has embraced the darkness. With external gills and a translucent body, this amphibian is perfectly suited for its underground habitat. Scientists study these salamanders to learn more about evolution and adaptation, as they have remained unchanged for thousands of years. Unlike most amphibians, Texas cave salamanders never develop into a land-dwelling form. They remain in their larval stage their entire lives, a process known as neoteny. Their feathery red gills allow them to extract oxygen from water efficiently, and their lack of pigmentation helps them blend into the rocky cave environment. This species is considered an indicator of water quality, meaning their presence signals a healthy underground ecosystem. Of course, we can't forget bats, perhaps the most famous cave dwellers. Many bat species roost in caves, using echolocation to navigate in complete darkness. They are essential to ecosystems, controlling insect populations and even pollinating plants. One of the most famous bat colonies is found in Bracken Cave, Texas, home to over 20 million Mexican free-tailed bats. That's a lot of nighttime hunters. These bats emerge in a spectacular swirling mass at dusk, consuming thousands of insects each night, including agricultural pests. But bats aren't just insect eaters. Some cave-dwelling species, like the vampire bat, have developed a specialized diet of blood. Using heat sensors in their noses, they can detect warm-blooded prey, making them one of the most unique mammals in the animal kingdom. And last but not least, one of the rarest and most isolated cave-dwelling fish, the devil's hole pupfish. Found in a single water-filled cavern in Nevada, this tiny fish has adapted to extreme conditions. The water in Devil's Hole stays at a constant 93 degrees Fahrenheit, and oxygen levels are extremely low. Yet these fish have survived here for thousands of years. Their population fluctuates dramatically, sometimes dropping to fewer than 50 individuals. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect this unique species, as it serves as an important case study in how life can persist in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Caves may seem like lifeless places, but they're home to some of the most unique and mysterious creatures on Earth. Each of these animals has adapted to a world of darkness in ways that seem almost otherworldly. Who knows what other secrets the deep underground still holds? If you enjoyed this dive into the world of cave-dwelling animals, be sure to like and subscribe for more fascinating discoveries. Until next time, keep exploring the unknown.